welcome back with me, Mas Agus Saja. Warm wishes to all of you. Right now, I'm with Coco, Jojo, and Mew Mew. Hi. Here, we are going to show you how to cook fried chicken in KFC style. Let's go!
Fried chicken is really popular among all the ages and has a lot of fans all over the world. This dish also has a long history and the recipes keep evolving and changing. The people all around the world have and make their own versions of fried chicken. Perhaps some look like American fried chicken. Fried chicken's crunchy texture outside and the delicious juicy meat inside captivate the people's appetite. The crispy flour-covered skin is a general trademark of the fried chicken. But with such long history, I think fried chicken is a traditional menu for many families. For the seasoning, mix 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salty soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 150 milliliter of fresh milk and stir well. The texture outside is so crunchy and crispy. And I think it's really captivating people's appetite. The meat inside is really juicy. And the seasonings are absorbed inside the meat. Please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next information. And this is optional, 1 sachet of instant noodle seasoning. Immerse the chicken meat into the seasoning mixture and cover it for 1 hour. According to some sources, there are some doubts in the history of the recipes of the American fried chicken style. Let me tell you how the story is. American fried chicken style started in Southern America. At the time, many Africans were employed in America as cooks. And some African immigrants adapted the fried chicken recipe brought by Scottish immigrants with West African spices in the bread mixture. But some people believe the recipe is from Africans. And the African seasoned flour fried chicken recipe is widely known in the African American community. This menu is often served on special events and is classified as a special menu. For the flour seasoning, mix well 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Release the cover and move all the seasoned chicken meat. African American entrepreneurs, mostly women, started selling fried chicken in the 1730s, and the fast food restaurants selling fried chicken started to open in the 1950s. Flour and immerse well each chicken meat twice. It was Colonel Harold Sanders, the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken, popularized chicken in the fast food industry. He was an entrepreneur who began selling fried chicken from his roadside restaurant in Corbin, Kentucky. He identified the potential of restaurant franchising and branded himself Colonel Sanders, the founder, becoming a prominent figure of American cultural history. And his image remains widely used in Kentucky Fried Chicken advertising. Heat up the oil, and here we are going to fry this chicken meat twice in order to make it crunchy for hours. The first fry is over a medium-high flame in 4 minutes. Fry each side for 2 minutes and sift them. Kentucky Fried Chicken was one of the first fast food chains to expand internationally, opening outlets in England, Mexico, Indonesia, and others. Please remember that the heating of every utensil set is different. Turn the flame to medium level and let it heat up for 1 minute. The second fry is only 2 minutes and ready to be served.
Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and smash that subscribe button. And also switch the bell on to notify you whenever I upload new videos. See ya!